Hi guys, my name is Dheeraj and today we are going to discuss something very interesting happening with this project called Robotos, and they have designed something called suits which helps you customize your Robotos. As you see in the video, you can see, right, like someone is picking a Roboto and it's changing its costume and background color. This is the kind of innovation we love to have in the NFT space, right? So this is why I wanted to cover. I wanted to show you, how these costume changes are working, and a little bit more about Roboto's project, right? If you like crypto content, if you like content about NFTs, do subscribe to my channel because we do a lot of podcasts, we do a lot of educational content, and I love NFTs. So let's get right into it. So Pablo Stanley put up this project called Robotos, and I'll just show it to you how they look. They are, what happened to my mouse? Okay, yeah. So see, look at them. They're damn adorable, and this is the innovation is what I was talking about, right? Like this Roboto is mine. It shows up in on the website, and look at this, right? Like this is a samurai type of my Roboto, which is a computer with a computer head. This is a vampire. This is a Dracula. This is a Frankenstein. This is Lebron, and this is a skeleton. And what's the best part? Like this is the suit. I can change the background colors, right? Like I can remove the background. I can put a sky in it. I can make it blue. I can make it orange, and this is slime. This is a mummy. This glow is quite interesting, right? Like it changes. Like I love this color. It goes so well, but with the brown helmet. Computer, not really. So this is quite interesting, right? And what's more interesting, that every different NFT will have different combinations, right? Now my computer has this. I have another one, which look at this. It has a space suit, and I love this space suit. It's so cool, and it has another space suit, so it's blue. So I think the glasses and the space suit go very well, and right, like this one also has samurai and a bunch of other stuff, right? Like you can change, and like let's go to the Discord community and see other people's computers. About other people's Robotos, right? Like look at this. Look at this. Look at this Dracula. It looks so good. Look at this. Look at this. This is like a ghost. It looks very good, but not on mine. Yeah. So yeah, Pablo saying like a team is doing a lot of hard work, and I agree, right? Like all these bunch of modifications to do is extremely nice, right? Like this is part of the early community. I'm part of Robotos and I really like it. I love what Pablo is doing as well. He's an artist, even popular apart from NFT space, right? Like he runs a popular YouTube channel called Sketch Together. I'm sorry if that's wrong. And I would love to have him on our podcast and talk about like these projects, like how we did with Axie Infinity, Moon Cats, YGG, Aave, and Sushi Swap, something like that. So that's what we're looking at, and I own like the number 33 rarest Roboto as well, which is a computer. So I'm super pumped to see all these innovation which is happening in the NFT space. If you like my content, if you want to learn more about crypto and NFTs, do hit the subscribe button. And if you see this video, tag Pablo on Twitter and tell him like you need to get on the Desi Crypto podcast. Thank you guys. Bye.